Instagram tricks. Using Instagram effectively requires a strategic approach to build your online presence and engage with your audience. Here are some tips and tricks to help you make the most out of Instagram. 1. Optimize your profile. Choose a recognizable username and profile picture. Write a compelling bio that represents your brand or personality. Add a link to your website or a specific landing page. 2. Create quality content. Use high-resolution and visually appealing images or videos. Maintain a consistent visual theme or color scheme. Experiment with different content formats like carousels, stories, reels, and IGTV. 3. Use relevant hashtags. Research and use popular and niche-specific hashtags. Include a mix of broad and specific hashtags to reach a wider audience. Create a branded hashtag unique to your business. 4. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments and direct messages promptly. Like and comment on other users' posts, especially those within your niche. Follow relevant accounts and engage with their content. 5. Leverage Instagram stories. Share behind-the-scenes content, sneak peeks, and exclusive offers. Use interactive features like polls, quizzes, and question stickers. Highlight your best stories in themed highlights on your profile. 6. Collaborate with influencers. Identify influencers in your niche and reach out for collaborations. Conduct giveaways or takeovers with influencers to expand your reach. Utilize influencer marketing platforms to find suitable partnerships. 7. Cross-promote on other platforms. Promote your Instagram account on your website, blog, and other social media channels. Embed Instagram posts or stories in your blog posts or emails. Cross-post your Instagram content on Facebook or Twitter. 8. Utilize Instagram Insights. Switch to a business account to access analytics and insights. Analyze your post engagement, reach, impressions, and follower demographics. Use this data to refine your content strategy and understand your audience better. 9. Run contests and giveaways. Encourage user-generated content by running photo or video contests. Offer prizes or exclusive discounts to winners or participants. Set clear rules and guidelines for the contest. 10. Engage with trending topics and holidays. Create content related to popular trends or current events. Plan posts around relevant holidays or special occasions. Use relevant hashtags to join conversations and increase visibility. 11. Post consistently in optimal times. Determine the best times to post based on your audience's online behavior. Aim for a consistent posting schedule to maintain engagement. Experiment with different posting frequencies to find the sweet spot. 12. Collaborate with other brands. Seek out partnerships with complementary brands for co-marketing campaigns. Host joint events, giveaways, or product launches to cross-promote. Leverage each other's audience to expand your reach. 13. Utilize Instagram shopping. Set up an Instagram shop to sell products directly on the platform. Tag products in your posts to provide a seamless shopping experience. Use product stickers in stories to drive conversions. 14. Engage with Instagram communities. Participate in niche-specific groups and conversations. Use relevant hashtags to discover and engage with community members. Share valuable insights and contribute to discussions. 15. Monitor and respond to mentions and tags. Regularly monitor when users mention or tag your account. Respond to tags and mentions promptly to show appreciation. Repost user-generated content to foster a sense of community. 16. Use captions effectively. Write engaging and compelling captions that complement your visuals. Experiment with different caption lengths, from short and concise to longer, storytelling formats. Ask questions or encourage user participation in your captions to drive engagement. 17. Incorporate user-generated content, UGC. Encourage your followers to create and share content related to your brand. Repost and give credit to user-generated content that aligns with your brand's aesthetic and values. Organize UGC contests or challenges to incentivize your audience to create content. 18. Explore Instagram ads. Utilize Instagram's advertising features to reach a wider audience. Set specific goals for your ads, whether it's increasing brand awareness, driving website traffic, or generating leads. Experiment with different ad formats, such as photo ads, video ads, carousel ads, or story ads. 19. Build relationships with influencers and micro-influencers. Reach out to influencers or micro-influencers who align with your brand values and target audience. Collaborate on sponsored posts, giveaways, or product reviews to leverage their audience and credibility. Negotiate fair terms and ensure a genuine fit between the influencer and your brand. 20. Use Instagram Live and IGTV. Host live sessions to interact with your followers in real time, answer questions, or share exclusive content. Utilize IGTV to create longer-form videos, tutorials, or behind-the-scenes footage. Promote your upcoming live sessions or IGTV videos through your feed and stories. 21. Pay attention to aesthetics. Maintain a cohesive and visually appealing Instagram feed. Stick to a consistent color palette, editing style, or theme. Use photo editing apps or presets to enhance your visuals and maintain a polished look. 22. Engage with popular Instagram features. Stay updated with new features and updates rolled out by Instagram. Experiment with reels, guides, shopping tags, and other interactive elements. Adapt your content strategy to incorporate these features and stay relevant. 23. Collaborate with local businesses or events. Partner with local businesses, charities, or events to amplify your reach within a specific community. Sponsor or participate in local events, trade shows, or exhibitions. Cross-promote each other's accounts and leverage the local audience. 24. Monitor your competitors. Keep an eye on your competitors' Instagram presence. Analyze their content, engagement strategies, and audience response. Learn from their successes and failures, and identify opportunities to differentiate your brand. 25. Stay authentic and engaging. Show your personality and authenticity through your content and interactions. Respond to comments, messages, and mentions with genuine and personalized responses. Build a loyal community by consistently providing value and engaging with your audience. Remember, success on Instagram is a combination of creativity, consistency, and strategic planning. Adapt these tips and tricks to suit your brand's unique voice and objectives, and always stay open to experimenting with new ideas to keep your Instagram presence fresh and engaging. Thanks for watching.